I'd now like to call upon Neha Dhupia and Lisa Hayden to kindly come on stage to give away the next set of awards. Go on, Lisa.
Okay. Why? The winner of Heritage Jewelry of the Year is Anmol Jewelers.
My heart stopped. I thought that was it. But it's always so humbling to get an award. And, retail jewelers, they say, is the Oscars of the diamond industry. It's also the most authentic jewelry awards. I can vouch for that because I've been one of the jury members on the Nazrana Awards, and it's so authentic. So you could be best friends with Samit and Suma, and all the maskapati will not get you anywhere. Thank you so much. It's very humbling. 9th year, and Anmol has been getting one every year. So thank you so much, guys. When you go to buy, when you buy property, they say there's 3 things you need to think of. It's location, location, location. For jewelry, it's design, design, design. Thank you once again. Thank you so much.
Bahut Mubarak. Well done.
Well, congratulations, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Really appreciate it.
How do you feel winning an award?
It feels fantastic because, it's like, it's a comfort level. Getting an award from retail jewelers is a feeling of being comfortable because Anmol has been getting one award every year, at least one or more. So if I didn't, I would be very, very uncomfortable. God is kind, and we've got an award once again.
I think it's the consistency.
Yes, like I said, yes, consistency, but we try our best, but at the end of the day, we try and raise the bar each and every year. Like I said, retail jewelers is not only the Oscars of the industry, it's one of the most authentic, award. The system they follow is very, very. It's very transparent. It's very authentic. So there's no, there's no favoritism, and so it feels even better to get this award. It's even more. It's more fulfilling. It's so much more humbling.
That's fantastic. Would you have any dedication? Would you like to dedicate this award to someone?
I think we would dedicate this award to the designers, who understand that at Anmol, our DNA is design, 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 and so we just follow that blindly.
Okay, so what are the party plans?
The party's just begun.
The celebration is on?
Absolutely.
Thank you so much. Have a lovely evening. Take care.
Thank you so much. Really appreciate it. Bye.